Tactical Division, progress report.
The drillers have been working double time, Colonel von Pushup. We expect to find it in a matter of minutes.
Ja, nein. You have been drilling for over 3 weeks. Why do you expect to find it now?
Captain Uber, sir. I use statistical probability to determine that the longer we look for the artifact, the more likely it is we will find it.
What?
I found it!
Speak up, man.
I found it!
Day 1. We're heading for the Alps. We're gonna need some serious survival skills.
Oh, yeah. Like, how will we ever survive these only partially reclining seats? Huh?
Iron Tank? What are they doing down there?
Salutations, team.
Hey, Prof.
Hi, Prof.
According to my, calculations, a nearby cyclonic snowstorm enhanced by katabatic mountain winds means that in 48 hours the weather will be inclement.
Okay, that's fine, because we're in the Alps.
I mean the climate will be intemperate, El Matador.
No. We're in the Alps.
The weather's gonna be bad.
What? I was just trying to help.
As Northshaw said, playing Iron Tank during a megastorm is going to take some serious survival skills. And I know just the place we'll learn them.
Day 2. We're rendezvousing with the coachmeister. The best place to find the conditions we can expect at the fortress?
This is cool. And I don't mean cool, I mean cold, cool.
With conditions already this bad, you can only imagine what it's gonna be like when that storm hits the Alps this weekend. Huh? Shanks? Shanks? What are you doing, dude? Survival 101, bro. Always stick together.
Fine, I'm coming.
Finally! What took you so long?
Wow, magnificent.
It's greater than I could have even imagined.
This discovery, we will become the ultimate winter footballers. Glagoglar.
Gnarly,
Yeah.
dudes.
Toasty. Yes, that's more like it.
Prof's new thermal kit should keep you comfortable in the cold. Now, meet your training opponents.
The trees?
Iron Tank are substantially bigger than us. So our advantage will be speed and agility.
Ha! Easy. I'll just do a classic move like the El Mataspin.
But the freezing temperature and swirling wind make conditions slippery.
So, what do?
You'll be playing with special elongated studs for grip.
Hand over the long guys, coach. Sorry, Iron Tank. Thought we'd treat you to what it's going to feel like to lose.
That was a rather wooden performance.
Guys,
It seems I may have gotten my calculations slightly incorrect. Looks like the storm is actually going to set in, well, right now.
This isn't good, dudes. Anyone got any ideas?
Say it.
Ain't gonna happen, brother.
Come on.
No ways.
You know you wanna.
All right. What do you do?
We need branches, some pine cones, and a whole lot of determination.
The storm has moved in early.
Excellent. The perfect training conditions for the winter footballer program. The information we have gathered from you know what will make this storm seem like a stroll on the beach.
But this weather is the worst we have seen in decades.
Perhaps. But the data I have obtained from comes from thousands of years ago. The Ice Age. Come match day, we will freeze Supa Strikas out of the game.
Day 3. We dug into the snow to create a hidey hole, sheltering us from the elements overnight. With the wind gusting up to 20 knots, wind chill took the temp down to way below freezing.
North,
Yes, Cool Joe?
thanks for saving our skin, brother. What do you do is a hit in my books.
No sweat, dude. But we gotta make it out of here if that first episode's ever gonna get made.
Not likely, guys. That storm's still in full.
Sugar blow!
Shakes!
Shakes, man!
Step aside, Chance.
You can't be serious, man.
Guys, our buddy's down there somewhere.
And North is the only one with the skills to go after him. What? He is.
Day 3.5, and your teammate is falling through the ice. All you have is a rope and your wits. What do you do?
Not that.
Whoa.
Huh? But what do I and Tank want with a frozen caveman?
Have you seen it? You won't believe it. Truly incredible.
Guess what happened to Thor's great-great-great-great-grandfather?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Come on, do the face.
No,
Come on.
I don't want to.
That's an order. Gives new meaning to the term dead ringer.
Attention! Enough silliness. The Supa Strikas game is in one day only. We are here to... Is that...
Hey, Thor, I think your great-great-granddad is trying to tell us something.
He's not my granddad, okay? Don't worry, rescue party's here, Shakes bro.
Intruders! Spies! Get them!
You're in a cave with a frozen Iceman, and I and Tank are after you. What do you do?
Jump!
So, any advice on how to outrun these guys?
Yeah! Mondo Kahuna!
The giant wave.
I thought you made that up.
Everything on my show is real, Shakes. 1, 2, 3, Papa!
What do you do now?
You trust me?
Uber! Come in, Uber! Status report?
No sign of anyone.
Okay. Return to cave for the next phase of the winter footballer program.
10-4, Colonel.
This real enough for you?
Wow!
Wow, is this real?
Quite remarkable. An impeccably preserved specimen.
No. This is not a spaceman. It's an Iceman.
So, Prof, can you tell us more about him?
He lived in the last Ice Age.
You mean colder than this?
Considerably cool, Joe. At that time, the whole of the planet was covered in ice.
And I and Tank are studying a guy who lived through it.
Guys, don't worry about this. We have our winter kit. We have our studs. We're ready for whatever Iron Tank or the weather throws at us.
Now, to unleash the ultimate winter footballers.
Match day at the icy Fortress Stadium.
I wouldn't know, Brenda. I don't feel the cold. Iron Tank versus Supa Strikas. Who has the edge?
This game really comes down to which team is better prepared for the conditions. Surprisingly, Supa Strikas have come to grips with the conditions much better than the home side has.
Outmaneuvering the tank at the fortress. Nice.
Over here!
El Matador has his eye on goal. Fantastic opening spell. The men in red look right at home in these rather unpleasant conditions.
Unpleasant? Don't know what you're talking about, Brenda. Seems Supa Strikas are better prepared than we thought.
Special studs? Very clever. I hope your great-great-great-grandfather delivers.
Ha! Of course he will. He's not my grandfather, okay?
Don't worry. Supa Strikas may be faster than us now, but soon the cold will slow them down.
We're well into the second half, and the conditions are getting worse by the second. Yes, a jacket would have been a great idea, Mac. Supa Strikas have much less time on the ball. thrilling encounter, Mac. Mac?
Day 4, and things have gone seriously south. This is not the ending I'd planned for my first episode, Shakes.
We were prepared for the cold, but not this.
Yeah, dude. This game is slipping away from us.
Maybe slipping is how we can outrun them.
Mondo Kahuna?
Mondo Kahuna.
Mondo Knudi Wadi, huh? You guys have been talking to Prof too much.
Just get me the bomb.
Iron Tank will be looking to capitalize on their home ground advantage right about now. Supa Strikas are in hot water here. And so is Mac. I knew you'd like that one. Meanwhile, Shakes is having troubles of his own. Let's see if Iron Tank can make this 2-1. Fantastic save from Big Bo. And he sent it straight to North Jaw. Seems to be a good thing. Oh, a big hit from the Iron Tank captain.
You're playing in a snowstorm. You learned from an Iceman, and you got no studs on. What do you do?
1, 2, 3.
Hop up.
Unbelievable pace from Shakes. Only the keeper defeat. Hey, Mac! You're back!
Yep. Told you I don't feel the cold, Brenda.
Ugh.
You nailed it!
Yeah, Coach was right. Beating Iron Tank did take some major survival skills.
Given the circumstances, it seems only appropriate to be overwhelmingly laudatory.
See? I'm not the only one who doesn't understand this guy.
What I mean is, you guys totally rocked that!
You've uncovered an ice dude, trained in sub-zero temperatures, and beaten Iron Tank at the Fortress Stadium. Now, what do?
You go back to sunny Striker Land.
Fire up the barbecue.
And watch the most awesome survival reality show ever.
I'm North Shaw, and this is What Do You Do?
Right on,
Say goodbye to your great-great-great-great-great-grandfather, Thor.
He's not my great-grandfather. And this was a stupid idea anyway.
Sure. Guess you can't learn anything about soccer from an Iceman after all.